In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you all. This is an English session, grade 9. Unit 7, lessons 5, 6, and 7. The title of this unit is Saving Our World. A new vocabulary: desert, Sahara, an area where nothing grows. An area where nothing grows. Vegetation is the scientific word for plants and trees. Again, vegetation, the scientific word for plants and trees. Agriculture means the industry that produce food. Again, agriculture, the industry that produce food. Irrigation, a system of watering the land. Again, irrigation اللي هي الري, a system of watering the land. Challenge means difficult situation. Challenge اللي هو تحدي means difficult situation. Fertile means able to support plants. Again, fertile اللي هو خصب means able to support plants. Government means a group of people who run a country. الحكومة هي مجموعة من الناس تدير الدولة. Government, a group of people who run a country. Again, desert, an area where nothing grows. Vegetation means the scientific word for plants and trees. Agriculture means the industry that produces food. Irrigation means a system of watering the land. Challenge means difficult situation. Fertile اللي هي معناها خصب, able to support plants. Government, a group of people who run a country. Region means an اللي هي معناها منطقة, an area within a country. An area within a country يعني منطقة داخل الدولة. An area within a country. Factory is a place where things like cars are made. اللي هو مصنع. Factory means a place where things like cars are made. Playground, a place means a place outside school where you go between lessons. Again, playground اللي هي الساحة, a place outside school where you go between lessons. Headmistress means a woman who is a head of school اللي هي مديرة المدرسة. A woman who is ahead of school. Forest means a place with lots of trees. Forest اللي هي غابة means a place with lots of trees. Headmistress, a woman who is ahead of school. Suffer يعني يعاني. Environment يعني البيئة. Adult راشد أو بالغ. The opposite of adult is young. Appear, the opposite of appear is disappear. Agree, the opposite of agree is disagree. Male, the opposite of male is female. Okay? Open your book to page 87. A world warmer. The title of this lesson is A World Warmer يعني عالم أكثر دفئا. Study the diagram below. ادرس الشكل الآتي. What information does it tell you? إيه هي المعلومات اللي بنطلع منها من الشكل اللي قدام منك ده؟ This diagram shows how the world become warmer. Become warmer. أصبح أكثر دفئا. Heat from the sun stays in Earth's atmosphere. Okay? Read an interview with a scientist. اقرأ المقابلة مع العالم. Find some results of a warmer world. Is the world getting warmer? Yes, it is. Why is this happening? There may be other causes. في أسباب أخرى. But it's mainly our fault. Our fault means something bad happened because of us. Why is it our fault? Where burning يعني يحرق, burning fuel like coal, gas, oil and wood, and we're driving cars. I don't understand. All these produce gases that trap means معناها يحاصر أو يحبس heat in the earth's atmosphere في الغلاف الجوي. If the world gets warmer, what will happen? The ice cap will melt. Number one, the ice cap will melt. So the sea level will rise. Number two, the sea level will rise. This means some land will disappear. Number three, also it's possible that the weather will change. The weather will change. Number four, okay? In what way? We might have hotter summer and wetter winter. In some hot countries, في بعض الدول الحارة, there may be less rain and some farmland might become desert. Will all this happen soon? Some things are already happening. بعض الأشياء حدثت بالفعل, but others may take 30 or 40 years. Can we stop it happening? We can if we want to. Okay? The results are the ice cap. Number one, the ice cap will melt. Number two, the sea level will rise. Number three, some land will disappear. Number four, the weather may change. Number five, some farmland might become desert. Okay? Turn to page 90. The moving desert, الصحراء المتحركة أو التي تزيد. The moving desert, what are the main causes of the moving desert? ما هي الأسباب الرئيسية لزيادة الصحراء أو لتحرك الصحراء? What's the good news? وما هي الأخبار الجيدة? Read the article and answer the questions. Okay? The moving desert is a danger from many countries around the world suffer. تعاني منها الكثير من دول العالم. The problem is caused by social, political, economic or natural factors. يبقى تسببت في المشكلة عوامل اجتماعية وسياسية واقتصادية وطبيعية. Deserts which move or increase يعني تزيد in size. This is harm both the environment and the people who live there. Sandstorm, low rainfall, keeping too many animals or over farming and tree cutting creates dry zones يعني مناطق جافة. Many fertile areas have disappeared. Okay, this problem damages all aspects. تسببت في تدمير كل المظاهر of life كل مظاهر الحياة and is a challenge. A challenge means difficult situation يعني تحدي. A challenge to many people across the world, especially in Africa, خصوصا في أفريقيا. 90% of Libya is covered by desert. The جبل الأخضر region منطقة region an area within a country يعني منطقة داخل الدولة. Near بنغازي and the Jifara plain يعني سهل جفارة on which Tripoli stands are extremely important for agriculture and must be protected ويجب حمايتها. However, recent satellite pictures show that توضح الآتي: the desert is still expanding يعني الصحراء ما زالت تتمدد. People in Libya are beginning to realize how serious the problem is. بدأوا الناس في ليبيا إدراك المشكلة. And the government is look for يعني تبحث عن حلول solutions. Okay, vegetation is very good for protecting the soil. Therefore, one solution is to use water piped from deep underground to create man-made oases. Another solution is to build highly efficient irrigation system, نظام ري فعال. This system keeps the soil wet but not too wet. wet يعني مبتلة, so that not all the nutrients are washed away. They work by dripping يعني التقطير water onto the soil slowly rather than sprinkling it. Sprinkling it يعني علاوة على رشها. Finally, a big factor is education. The national plan for agriculture development الخطة الوطنية للتنمية الزراعية is teaching people that every now and then farmland needs to be given a rest from animals and crops. That way the soil doesn't get too dry and turn into desert. What are the main causes of the moving desert? Number 1, sandstorm. Number 2, low rainfall. Number 3, keeping too many animals. Number 4, tree cutting. Number 5, overfarming. What's the good news? وما هي الأخبار الجيدة? There are some solutions. The government is looking for solutions. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. See you next session.